What's the meaning of Arthur Miller? Arthur Miller. Arthur Miller.
Arthur Miller. Arthur Miller. Arthur Miller was an American playwright and essayist, widely regarded as one of the greatest dramatists of the 20th century. He was born in 1915 and died in 2005. Miller's work explored the social issues of his time, including the American dream and the post-war disillusionment of the middle class. He is most famous for his plays Death of a Salesman and The Crucible. Miller won numerous awards throughout his career, including the Pulitzer Prize for Drama and the Presidential Medal of Freedom.